students, myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Mythology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class, BSc B.Ed ZBC, 6th semester. We will discuss the topic spermatogenesis, the process by which sperm develop to become mature sperm capable of fertilizing an ovum is called spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis. Seminiferous tubule cells, spermatogenic cells forming sperm forming cells. Spermatogonia are stem cells developed from primordial germ cells that arise in yolk sac and enter testis to 5th week of development. As a flowchart view, primary spermatocytes, secondary spermatocytes, spermatids, sperm cells and lumens. Sertoli cells are support cells. Tight junctions for blood testis barrier prevent immune response against sperm cell surface antigens. Nourish spermatocytes, spermatids and sperm phagocytes. Accesses spermatids cytoplasm control movement of spermatogenic cells. Release sperm into lumen, produce fluid for sperm transports, secrete in heaven, regulate effect of testosterone and follicle stimulating hormones FSH. Leading cells found in space between seminiferous tubules secrete testosterone. Seminiferous tubules and stages of sperm production seen these plates. Primordial germ cells follow mitotic division and produce primary spermatocytes. Primary spermatocytes and primary spermatocytes follow first meiotic division and again second meiotic division and formed sperm cells. Seen these plates. During formation of the embryo, the primordial germ cells migrate into the testis and become immature germ cells called spermatogonia. Spermatogenesis takes 65 to 75 days, begins the spermatogonia. Stem cells undergo mitotic to replace themselves and some continue development. Primary spermatocytes are diploid cells. Each duplicates its DNA and meiosis begins. Meiosis first, homologous pair line up and crossing over occurs. Secondary spermatocytes haploid are two cells to end of meiosis first. Each chromosomes made up of two chromatids attached at centromere. Meiosis second, true chromatids separate. Spermatids, four haploid cells of single chromatids at end of meiosis second. Cells remain attached to each other by cytoplasmic bridge. Next, spermiogenesis, development of spermatids into sperm called spermiogenesis. Spherical spermatids transfer into enlarged sperm. Acrosome and flagella form. Mitochondria multiply. Sertoli cells dispose of excessive cytoplasm. Spermiation, release from connections to Sertoli cells not yet able to swim. Seen all steps in these plates: primary spermatocytes, secondary spermatocytes, spermatids, and spermatozoa, last sperm. Hormones control testis. At puberty, secretion of gonadotropin releasing hormone increase, stimulates anterior pituitary to increase secretion of luteinizing hormones and follicle stimulating hormones. Luteinizing hormones Luteinizing hormones stimulates Leydig cells to secrete testosterone synthesized from cholesterol mainly in testes, suppresses secretion of luteinizing and gonadotropin releasing hormones by negative feedback. Enzymes 5 alpha reductase convert testosterones into dehydrotestosterones in external genital and prostate follicle stimulating hormones acts indirectly on spermiogenesis. Follicle stimulating hormones and testosterone acts on Sertoli cells to stimulate secretion of androgen binding proteins ABP. Androgen binding proteins binds testosterone keeping concentration high. Testosterone stimulates spermatogenesis. Sertoli cells release inhibin to inhibits follicle stimulating hormones. Androgens, prenatal developments, testosterone stimulates male patterns of development are reproductive system ducts and descents of testes. Development of male sexual characters at puberty, they bring about development of male sex organs and development of male secondary sexual characteristics. Development of sexual functions. Androgens contribute to male sexual behavior, spermatogenesis, and sex drive. Libido. Stimulation of anabolism stimulates protein synthesis, heavier muscles, and bone mass in men. Ejaculation, next step. Ejaculation is the discharge of semen from the penis. During orgasm, the semen is forcefully expelled from the body by strong muscular contraction of sperm ducts. Semen, characters of semen: volume 1.5 to 4.5 milliliter, white opscent colors, slightly alkaline pH, and 100 to 125 million sperms per milliliter. Semen pathway: testis, epididymis, vas deferens, ejaculatory ducts, and urethra.